So now, since we got the door panel off, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the side view mirror on the car, and it will be for sale. There's one plug right here on the door. It's a 13 Impreza, so we're going to go ahead and push down the clip and unplug the mirror. We got to pull back the sound deadening stuff, sound mat. Take your time. You can probably peel it off pretty simple without damaging it, so you can put it back on. Peeling it back enough to where we can access and you can pull the cable back out of the way. There's the cable, and then there's this black goop stuff. I just turn it and just do it like that so it's out of the way. There's 3 bolts. There's one through this hole and right through here. This hole is one, and you can see right through here, and then there's 2 right there. Go ahead and grab a number 10. And if you take it out carefully enough, you won't drop them down into the door. What you can also do is take a little bit of this black goop that's on the door, like this. Put it on the tip of the number 10 socket. So when you're in there, see, well, maybe a little bit more. The bolts won't fall out. See how the glue holds it? There's one more right here. See it right through there. Okay. Now you took the 310s out. Okay. The mirror should come off really easily, or if it's already broken, just yank it out of the way. And you can help the wire from the back side, just kind of, you know, so it doesn't get stuck or hung up. You just kind of pull it out. And that's it. And this is a power mirror. And it has heat because you got 2 black wires. The 2 black wires usually are for the heat. And then the 3 other colors are for the up, down, left to right. This is a power mirror from a 13 Impreza. And it will be for sale. I don't know, probably $100 if you need it. Here it is.